Hello guys. In this video, I'll be testing the free version of ChatGPT to design complete web pages. I gave it 2 design tasks. The first one is to create a fully responsive login and sign-up form, and the second is to build a full restaurant website. So, without wasting any time, let's see what ChatGPT can create for us. Okay, let's type the prompt. Design a fully responsive login and sign-up form with a smooth transition when switching between them, including login options. Now, let's see what ChatGPT creates. All right, this is what ChatGPT created for us. Let's take a closer look and see how it turned out. Now, let's drop this code into our HTML file and open it in the browser. Let's see it in action. All right, the design looks nice, colors are on point, layout is decent, but there are definitely some problems. The login options are all white, so you can't see them, and the transition between forms isn't smooth at all. Let's test responsiveness. Nope, it's not responsive. Honestly, I'd give this a 3 out of 10. What do you think? Drop your rating in the comments. Okay, I asked ChatGPT to recreate this design and give me a working version. Let's see what it came up with. Now, let's drop this code into our HTML file and check out how this login and sign-up form turned out. Nice! This version is way better than the first one. The login options are visible, though the colors aren't perfectly matching. The layout and overall colors look good, so let's see how the switching transition performs. All right, this one works perfectly, and the switching animation is super smooth, but the sign-up form space is too small, and some login options get cut off. Let's test responsiveness. It's a little responsive, but we still can't switch to the sign-up form, so it's not perfect. I'd give this a 5 out of 10. What do you think? Comment your rating down below. Okay, now this is the final time I ask ChatGPT to recreate the design. Let's see the final code. I'll paste it into our HTML file and open it in the browser to check it out. The colors look good, and we even have a color-changing background animation. The layout is similar to the previous designs, but the login options are barely visible again. They're too light. Other than that, the icons in the input fields are nice, and the login button looks great with good colors. Let's test the switching animation. It works perfectly at first glance, but actually, it's not good at all. It's the same transition as the first one, and it's pretty messy. Now let's check responsiveness. It's a little responsive, similar to the second design, but just like that one, we still can't switch to the sign-up form properly. So overall, this design isn't fully responsive either. I'd rate this design 3.5 out of 10 because the colors and icons are better than the first design. Out of the 3 designs, my favorite is the second one. The colors are nice, the layout is clean, and the switching transition works perfectly. You can even learn how to build that switching animation from this design. What about you? Comment down below and tell me which design is your favorite. All right, it's time for the second task, building a full restaurant website. I'm only going to ask ChatGPT twice in this video, so let's check out what it has to offer. All right, ChatGPT gave us a big code block. Let's paste it into our HTML file and open it up in the browser to check out the design. Wow, this design looks great! It's simple, clean, and has everything we need. Some images are missing, but we can easily replace them. Overall, this is a really solid design. There's only a little bit of information, but overall, this is a nice design. I'd rate it 7 out of 10. What about you? Comment your rating down below. All right, this is the final time I asked ChatGPT to create a full website. I told it to use anything it can and make a creative website. Let's see what it comes up with. Wow, this is a massive code block. Let's drop it into our HTML file and check out how it looks in the browser. Wow, this is amazing. The design is beautiful, professional, and the colors look fantastic. Let's go ahead and explore the other pages. This website has a nice menu section with different tabs like starters, mains, pasta, and desserts. Such an awesome design. Some pictures are missing, but we can add our own images later. There's also a beautiful gallery that you can view by clicking through the images. You can even book a table in this area. It looks really nice and professional. Moving on, there's a people rating section, which is perfect for a restaurant website. This website also has a great contact and reservation section. When you click to reserve a table, you fill out a form. Such a nice design. Overall, this website looks very professional and modern. The layout is clean, the colors are great, and the fonts and typography are perfect. You can definitely get ideas from this design. It's really good for anyone looking to create a restaurant website. I'd rate this design 8.5 out of 10. What about you? Comment your rating down below.